Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to talk about a very interesting stock and very renowned, uh, one of its own kind, called GE or General Electric Company. So what you can see here is its long-term chart and the way the trend has shaped up. Though GE has not been performing since last 2 decades, but if you look at the overall chart, it's called a classical consolidation pattern rather than a correction. Okay, because in overall context the share has risen since 1980 till 2000 for 20 years and gave a return of 6000 odd percent, and in the next 2 decades it's been consolidating. Okay, it's been correcting, consolidating, whatever you can say, but in the overall context it is a consolidation rather than a correction. And why I'm saying so? Because if you look at this trend, it's pretty interesting that how over a period of time the stock has moved, make a bottom and moves up. Again it went to that level what it has touched couple of years back and again move down. So you can see here from 2000 to 2009, so there is a slide of 9 years, and from 2009 to 2016, so over a period of 7 years it went up 460 odd percent. Now from 2016 to till date, it's again been in the same zone where it was in the year 2009. So technically it's become a buy zone, and because it's a long term chart, trends took time to form, and also it takes time to get distorted. Okay, so keeping a support, an important support of 5.88, what you can see here for the long term, I'm not talking about the short term and all, for the long term you can probably see these two levels. Okay, so from 21 to 26 odd dollars, and it's very much possible maybe the time will be an issue because it took 6-7 years previously from 2009 to 2016. But as you can see, the kind of liquidity we have right now, so makes things a bit more easy, and most probably it will take less amount of time when compared to 2009 to 2016. So you can see that the risk reward is very much favorable. So understand this. What we can do here is, we if the stock goes below 5.88 and settles over there, so if the stock settles below 5.8, then the trade would be over. But if it stays above the level, so the next big target would be of 21 and 26, basically these two lines. So uh, don't just fix with the numbers that if it is 26.74, so it has to be 26.74. It can be 20, it can be 26, it can be 28. Okay, so what is important is these two lines. Okay, so you can simply make these lines and you can check how the trend has formed and where the resistance level could probably be. And most importantly, if it crosses above the line and sustain above this trend, it means a new trend is about to begin. Okay, in that case you can see beyond 26, 27, if we sustain above that, these are the three more important resistance, or you can say the target which we are talking about, which is around 32, 46 and 61, and the probability is also there for these three levels. So obviously it will take time, but we will see how the trend will shape up. But looking at the current trend, what we can see here that these two from 21 to 26 is of high probability. So look at this trend. It's a good risk reward ratio that is formed up, and it's at the lower end of the range of a big trend. Okay, so this is a pretty good opportunity looking at the long term trend of General Electric or GE. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel for this kind of content. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.